everyone, this is Alina from Alinacutle. Today's video is to make this butterfly rotating bearing card. It's very fun, right? To make this card, I will use this reeling stencil and die set. This set including 4 layer stencils. With these 4 stencils, even fresh crafters can make very beautiful butterfly cards. Okay, let's start. This is the sticky pad. I stick a white paper card on the pad. Then I use the first layer. Because the stencil is very big size, so I use a tape for extra holding. Then I start to brush with colors. I will use several colors. We can use any colors we love to make colorful butterflies. Okay, we finished the layer 1 and we will use layer 2. Now we finished the layer 2 and I carve layer 3. For layer 3, I will use this metallic paste wax. This is a golden color. Okay, now we finished the 3 layers and the butterfly is very beautiful. Now let's use the frame die cut. Here are single butterflies I have cut. I make the butterflies' bodies in black color and we stick them on. Okay, all the butterflies ready. And I will use this frame to make a card. Here I have cut white. This yellow one is just as a stencil. Let's see how to use. Okay, the card base is ready. And I will use the butterfly and these floral stamps to decorate the cards. Now this is the rotating bearing metal. It is small but really fun to make card. Here's a sample card I have already made. I also used a butterfly. Okay, let me show how to use it. It's very easy and make the card so cute. Let's try and play it. Make the card so lovely and very interesting. You can get this rotating metal in our stores. Okay, it was today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.